In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. Making your emails stand out with a unique font style or size can make them more readable and add a touch of personal flair. Whether you want a more professional look or something a bit more casual, customizing your email appearance is quite simple, so let's dive into it. First, open up Microsoft Outlook on your device. You can do this by clicking on the Outlook icon, either from your desktop or navigating through your application list. Ensure that you're connected to the internet for a seamless sign-in process. When Outlook opens, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a sign in button there. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your email address and password to access your inbox. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the one where you wish to change the email formatting settings. Once logged in, you'll see your inbox load with all your recent emails. Now that you've signed in, let's move forward by clicking on the New Email button. You'll typically find this button towards the top left of your Outlook interface. This will open up a new message window where you can start crafting your email. To change the font style, look for the text formatting toolbar at the top of this new message window. You should notice a drop-down menu that displays the current font style. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal various font options. Scroll through the list and select the font that best suits your preference. You'll see the text in your email change immediately, allowing you to preview what different fonts look like before settling on one. Next, we'll adjust the font size. Adjacent to the font style drop-down, there is another drop-down menu dedicated to font sizes. Click on it, and just like with the font style, you'll see an array of different sizes. Simply click on the size you prefer and your email text will resize to match your selection. This allows you to ensure your message is easily readable depending on your audience or personal style. Once you've made your desired changes, you can continue composing your email with the new settings. Remember, these changes are specific to the email you're currently working on, so whenever you create a new email, you'll need to set your preferred font style and size again. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize your email's appearance in Microsoft Outlook. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to see what fits best with your communication style. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.